Hey theme lovers, welcome back to another fresh episode of Mobile Funda. Today I have got something exciting for the global users, the iOS 26 dark theme. And no, you won't need any backup and restore tricks or the Chinese themes. So if you are eagerly searching for a dark iOS 26 theme for your Xiaomi, then this video is definitely for you. So make sure to watch the video till the end. And if you like this theme, then drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting HyperOS themes. Now let's talk about the features of this theme. First, let's move towards the lock screen, where you will notice a big iOS-inspired glass effect clock widget at the top of the screen, giving a 3D effect like Chinese themes. Talking about its customization, then as soon as you double tap on the navigation bar, then you will see several customizations options, such as date format, which you can choose as per your choice. Second is the clock widget, which you can also customize its color from the given color options. Third is the widget, where you also have the options for left or right side widget. 4 is the dynamic island, where you get 4 different options. Last but not least is the wallpapers, where you get 3 options. Keep in mind, if you double tap on the navigation bar for the first time, then the lock screen won't change because it's password protected and you will get to know the password later in the video. Now let's move to the home screen. Here you also get a glass effect clock widget at the top. Where you swipe the screen, the clock widget has a smooth animation which makes this iOS 26 themes look even better. Talking about the icons, they also inspired by iOS 26 with a dark and colorful layout. However, I was a bit disappointed that these icons don't have any animations. Next, moving to the status bar, if you checked the control center, it's designed based on iOS 26. However, there's no glass effect on the toggles. The status bar and notifications panel remain similar to the stock theme. On the other hand, the volume control layout and settings menu feature a capsule-style layout, further enhancing this iOS 26 dark theme. So friends, these were the features of this theme. Now let's see which themes are used and how to apply them. First, go to the pinned comment and download the themes from the given link. Then head to your theme store. Select the theme HyperOS. Then tap on Customize and check to System and Apply. Your control center will be applied. For icons, move to the Icons section and apply the theme Super Plus Mix. To set the home screen widget, head to the home screen. Then open the widget section and select this widget. For the lock screen wallpaper, go to the Customize theme, then Lock Style, then select Colorful Night. When you tap on the Customize icon, you will see several options where the first one will ask for a password. So copy the password from the video description and paste it. After this, scroll down a bit. You will see 2 options. In the first, select the PNG version of your wallpaper. Similarly, in the second, pick the JPEG version. Now your customized wallpaper will be set. Well, for home screen wallpaper, you can download it from our Telegram channel and use it. So friends, this was today's iOS 26 dark theme. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next video with another interesting HyperOS theme. Till then, keep customizing.